In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Audible mobile version of your book. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a title on the Audible app, preview it, save it for later, and locate it in your library so you can start listening right away. First, open the Audible app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use so anything you pick shows up in your library. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to update it so the layout and buttons match what you see here. Once you're in, head to the Discover section. On most devices, you'll find Discover at the bottom of the screen. This is the hub for exploring what's new, trending, and recommended for you. Think of it as the bookstore window display, tailored to your interests. From Discover, choose a category that fits what you want to listen to. You'll see genres like fiction, nonfiction, self-development, and more. If you're not sure where to start, pick a category you already enjoy reading, or browse curated collections to spark ideas. You can also use filters or the search bar if you have a specific title or author in mind, but browsing categories is a great way to uncover something unexpected. When a book catches your eye, tap it to open the details page. Here you can check the description, length, and reviews. Most titles offer a free sample so you can hear the narrator and get a feel for the pacing. If you like what you hear, you may see options such as trying it for free with a current offer, using a credit, or simply adding it to your wish list. Adding to your wish list is perfect if you're still deciding or waiting for the right time to start. After you've chosen, go to your library. In the library, select audiobooks to see the titles you own or have added, and select lists to find your wish list and other saved collections. This is where you'll quickly locate what you picked from Discover. If you're planning to listen offline, tap the download icon on the books tile while you're on Wi-Fi. That way, playback is smooth when you're on the go. That's it. Open Audible on mobile, explore and discover, pick a category, choose a book to sample or save, then find it in your library under audiobooks or lists. With these steps, you can set yourself up to listen anywhere, anytime, and keep your next great read just a tap away.